In my previous video on Heron's formula, I have explained what is Heron's formula with the help of examples. In this video, we will see some of the questions which are based on the application of Heron's formula. So, let us begin. A hand fan is made by stitching 10 equal sized triangular strips of two different types of paper as shown in the figure below. We have this as one type of paper of this pattern and this as the other type of paper. There are total 5 papers of each type, okay, and the fan is made up of 10 triangular strips. The size of each triangular strip is same. It is 50 centimeter. So this is 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter by 20 centimeters. Okay. And all the triangular pieces have the same size. We need to find out the area of each type of paper needed to make the fan. We will first find out area of one of the triangular sheets. This is 50, this is 50 and this is 20. Let this be A, this be B and this be C. We will be applying our Heron's formula because we know all the 3 sides of the triangle. So the Heron's formula is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is the semi-perimeter. Let us just find out S. So it is 50 plus 50 plus 20 whole over 2, which is 120 by 2, which is 60 centimeters. So our area of one triangular sheet will be 60 times 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 20. On simplification, we get 60 times 10 times 10 times 40, which gives us 6 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 4 times 10, and when we simplify it, we get 100 square root of 24, which is equal to 200 square root of 6. Okay, this is area of one triangular sheet. Now there are 5 triangular sheets of one type and the other 5 are of other type. So how much paper is needed for each type of paper? So for this type of paper, okay, the amount of paper or the area of paper needed will be, there are 5 such triangles of this type. So 200 root 6 times 5, which gives us 1000 root 6 centimeters square of type 1 paper, and the same we will get for type 2 paper also. Correct? Because type 2 are also 5 strips. So it is again 200 root 6 times 5, which gives us 1000 root 6 centimeters square. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to everyone. Let us see one more question. Find the area of the trapezoidal field whose parallel sides are 25 centimeter, 13 centimeter and the other sides are 15 and 15 each. Okay. In my previous video, I have told you that the application of Heron's formula is we can find the area of any type of quadrilateral. In this case, the quadrilateral is a trapezoidal field. The parallel sides, this will be 13 centimeter. This is 25 centimeter and the non-parallel sides are 15 centimeters each. We have to find the area of this trapezoid. Now how do we find it? If we try to divide this trapezium into 2 triangles and if we are able to find the area of this triangle and this triangle and add it, we can get the area of trapezium. But the question arises is, do we know this side? Do we know this diagonal of the trapezium? We do not know the length of this diagonal. So how do we solve this question? So instead of dividing this trapezium into 2 triangles, what we will do is, we will draw a line which is parallel to one of the non-parallel sides. So if your trapezium is ABCD, Then we will draw BE such that it is parallel to AD. And we know that AB is anyways parallel to CD, so AB is parallel to ED also, and hence ABED becomes a parallelogram. Yes or no? A quadrilateral with both the pair of parallel sides is a parallelogram. So ABED becomes a parallelogram. So this much will be 13 centimeter as the opposite sides are equal, and this is 15 centimeter. The entire CD is 25 centimeters, so this remaining becomes 12 centimeter. So now our trapezoid ABCD is divided into a parallelogram. This is the short form of parallelogram. A parallelogram ABED and a triangle BEC. If we find the area of this and area of this and add it, we get the area of trapezium ABCD. So let us just try to find area of triangle BEC first. We will again apply Pythagoras theorem. Let us try to find out our S. S is A 15 plus 12 divided by 2, which is 42 over 2, which is 21 centimeter. We'll put that in the formula. Square root of S is 21 into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Let us simplify this. So we get 21 times 6 times 6 times 9. Okay, so this is 18 square root of 21 on simplification. Okay, this much centimeter square. And what is this? This is the area of this triangle. Now, what do we need? We need the area of parallelogram ABED. What is area of a parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is the base into the height of the parallelogram. But do we know the height of the parallelogram? That is the question. We do not know the height of the parallelogram, but we do know that whatever is the height of the parallelogram, the same is the height of the triangle because they are between the same parallels. So first we will find the height of the triangle. So the area of the triangle we have got as 18 root 21 centimeters square. Let me quickly draw a figure here. Okay, so now if this is the height h, area of a triangle is also given as half of base into height, which is half of base of the triangle is 12 and the height is h, which gives us a 6h. And this area should be equal to 18 root 21. So from here h comes as 3 root 21 centimeters. This is the height of the triangle and the same is the height of the parallelogram also. So we can find area of parallelogram ABED as base, which is 13, which is the base DE, into the height 3 root 21, which gives you a 39 root 21 centimeter square. You have area of parallelogram now, area of triangle now. So the area of trapezium ABCD will be equal to area of the parallelogram, which is 39 root 21, plus area of the triangle, which is 18 root 21, which gives us a 57 root 21 centimeter square as the area of the trapezoidal field. I hope these two examples are very clear to everyone. If you have any doubts regarding the Heron's formula and its application while solving the questions, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.